Now, sometimes you will have finished your bear's face, and then you'll look at it and see that it looks like the nose needs just 1 or 2 more stitches on the side, but you've already finished your nose, so how are you going to add just that 1 or 2 stitches? So I have got another length of pearl cotton on my needle, and I'm going to show you how we do it. I'm going to enter the head from behind, and I'm going to try to come up right at the tip of the nose there. It may take a few tries, but there, I've come up there. Don't pull the pearl cotton all the way through. Leave a tail of about, I guess that's about 12 inches. And now I'm going to go at the point of the nose and then come right up here on the side that I'm trying to add a little bit more, another stitch or 2. You might go in and out a couple of times until your needle finds the right place. Now I'm going to bring it down. Now I think that looks good. I'm going to get my mirror and check it. Okay, I like the way it looks in the mirror and straight on. So here's how we'll finish it. We have the last stitch laying across like that. We're going to take the needle and insert it right at the bottom of the nose and go out the back of the head. Because we only took a few stitches in the nose, we want to make sure that the pearl cotton doesn't get loose and that we don't tie knots with the pearl cotton. We're going to use a needle and take several stitches through the head. So I'm taking my needle here and I am inserting it right into where the thread came out, pearl cotton came out. Come out the side, and as you pull it, here you get the hair out there, and then the pearl cotton just pops into the head so that you don't even see it. We're going to do that one more time with this side. There we go. Now, since this is the one we just finished with, I'm going to get a pair of very sharp scissors. I've got my embroidery scissors because they're very sharp. And I'm wrapping the pearl cotton around my finger a little bit because I want to pull up on the pearl cotton. And then we're going to very carefully, because we don't want to cut any fur, as we're pulling up on the pearl cotton, we're going to carefully snip that, and then the end of the pearl cotton bounce back into the head so that it's not showing, but it's because it's gone through the head 2-3 times, that's as good as a knot, so that won't come out. I'm going to do the same thing with the tail that we left, and this is why we left the tail when we started the nose. There, and now your bear's nose is all set.
Would you like access to all of my teddy bear making classes and free teddy bear patterns too? You can get a 7-day free trial using the link below.